Imagine riding into the future on a robotic horse, powered not by oats or hay, but by hydrogen fuel cells. Pretty cool, right? No saddles, just sleek, majestic energy. That's not a Black Mirror episode, by the way. It's Kawasaki's newest robot, CORLEO. And yes, it jumps, it gallops. It might even judge you silently with its amazing glowing eyes. The internet totally obsessed. The robotic stallion that stole the show. On April 5th, 2025, at the Osaka Expo in Japan, Kawasaki showcased something no one saw coming. A four-legged, hydrogen-powered robotic horse called CORLEO. Forget Tesla. This thing makes your car look like a potato. CORLEO isn't your average junk piece of metal. It's dynamic, sleek, and weirdly graceful. Videos of it leaping like a real stallion with a human riding it instantly exploded online. One TikTok user commented, "This is how cowboys ride in 2050. Another posted, "Please tell me it is available for us to ride." CORLEO is the perfect blend of Cyberpunk and Mad Max reality. I have to say, it sure does well. One look at its powerful stride, and you might start to believe the future of transportation won't have wheels at all. I always thought of a future with robots, but a robot horse? That's an upgrade. And here's the best part. It doesn't just mimic how animals walk, it competes with them. Designed for harsh terrain, this robotic horse walks the line between exploration, entertainment, and engineering brilliance. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a horse lover, CORLEO is hard to ignore. I'm actually a mix of both, so this robot is a dream come true. What makes CORLEO so special? Let's break down the magic. CORLEO is powered by a 150cc hydrogen engine that produces electricity to power each of its four mechanical legs. Yes, 4 legs, not wheels. It runs, walks, and jumps. Almost like a real animal. Kawasaki didn't just make a robot that moves. They built a robot that almost feels alive. Each leg has terrain-sensing rubber hooves. These hooves don't just grip the ground. They adapt to it. These hooves are the real deal. Whether it's cement, snow, mud, or wet grass, the robot's hooves can analyze the surface and adjust to maintain control and also balance. It's like giving a robot goat-level agility, but with Iron Man-level brains. It has a reported range of 150 miles on a hydrogen fill, making it practical and potentially greener than most gas-powered vehicles. And that's what I'm talking about. New robots aren't exactly environment-friendly, but this could change that for sure. This robot isn't just for show. It's designed to conquer terrain, whether you're riding through Tokyo streets or climbing the mountains. People can't stop talking about it. As soon as footage from the Osaka Expo dropped, social media blew up. On Reddit, one user said, "Boston Dynamics just got slapped by a samurai horse." Over on X, formerly Twitter, the hashtag CORLEO trended globally for several hours. Memes flooded the timeline, from robot cowboy starter packs to Fast and Furious 11 rider gallop. Even horse lovers had thoughts. A viral comment from a horse owner read, "Pros, no hay bills. Cons, can't nuzzle you or give side-eye." Another TikTok creator joked, "Now I just need a laser sword and a robot horse subscription plan." But not everyone was joking. Some tech enthusiasts hailed CORLEO as a glimpse into green transport, search and rescue innovation, and off-road mobility in a challenged world. Design. Let's talk about looks. CORLEO's design is truly bold. The front looks like a mix of a jet ski and a robot dog, with a smooth, shiny body and joints that flex like an animal in motion. It doesn't have a horse's face, which is both comforting and slightly disappointing. It's not trying to look cute, though. It's trying to be revolutionary. There's something elegant about watching it jump, pause, and calculate its next move. It's like watching a cheetah in slow motion. If that cheetah were made of steel and cost more than your house. Personal commentary. Should I trade my car for this beast? Look, I'm not saying I'm ready to trade my car for a hydrogen-powered robo-horse, but I'm also kind of interested in how this horse works in the long run. The idea of navigating traffic on something that gallops like a boss? Pretty insane. My main concern, safety. In the demo footage, CORLEO leaps with a human rider. No seatbelt, no reins, just pure trust in a robot. That's really courageous, and not something I'd do. Think about it. What if it trips or malfunctions mid-jump? Let's just say the results won't be cool to see. But if Kawasaki nails the balance between performance and rider protection, CORLEO could become a real player in the future of transport. Not just a movie fantasy. What's next? Robot rodeos? We're at a strange and exciting point in robotics. Boston Dynamics gave us robot dogs that dance. Tesla gave us Optimus. Now, Kawasaki gives us a robot horse with hooves that sense terrain and legs that leap like a horse. Will this be transportation in 2030? Will city commuters use a horse to go to work? These aren't dreams anymore. They're possibilities. CORLEO might not replace your car soon, but it definitely kicks open the door to personal mobility, and it does it with style and power. Final gallop. The verdict. Kawasaki's CORLEO isn't just a flashy expo prototype, it's a bold vision of how we might move in the near future. Whether for adventure, mobility, or just flexing on your neighbors, robot horses like this are no longer a daydream. So if you ever hear the sound of hooves clanking on pavement, don't be surprised by a robot horse. What do you think? Would you use this transportation if it gets accessible in the future? Or is it too dangerous for you? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more info on AI robots and new technology.